Okay, so here we go with how to install Google Chrome web browser. Start off by just Googling Chrome download, and you can see here you're going to get a little ad. It's okay to click it. Google's not being charged anything since they own the browser. So you simply click download Google Chrome. You can hit its default if you want it to be, which I assume you might be. You don't have to send statistics. Just to accept and install. So basically it's going to download this. So just when it finishes, just go and install it. I've already got Chrome installed, so we're just going to go do that. Okay, so now you've got Chrome, the question is, what do you want to do to it? I've already got all these extensions up here. These are some of my favorites, which I'll go over with you. But so if you're in Google Chrome, the search bar is the same as the address bar, so you can either put a website in here or your search term. So let's see, Chrome Web Store. Okay, so you can see here, you want to make sure that you get into the Chrome Web Store, so just Google that, as you can see. Now that you're here, you don't need to distinguish between apps, which are the programs that run in there. Here's some of my apps. Here's a TweetDeck I have. Brings it up another window, but basically the apps are a little bit separate from the extensions. The extensions are here, and you can hit more categories. You can see all this kind of stuff. Your top extensions, I just see all. They're going to vary by what you want depending on what you do with the internet, and a lot. I'll show you some that are my favorites. I like one here called Google Screen Capture. It allows you to take images of your thing. So you can type Screen Capture by Google. I already have installed. You just click that button and then you get this thing here where you can capture what's going on your website. So you can either, I just capture the whole page, but you can capture by visible content. I guess since you're in the Google Web Store, a lot of things won't work like normal. So let's see. Okay, I can capture. Alright, we'll do screen. I don't know. So I can capture here a region. So I like that area. Okay. Now I can save it as a file. Do whatever I want with that. I like that one. Another one I like here is send to mail, which is basically allows you to send any website to email. Pops up a little browser here. See here. Automatically just to send whatever web page you're on. It makes it pretty easy to send somebody something. It puts the subject in here and just a link. So all you have to do is add your friend or whoever's email address. There's a cool one called Readability. So let's look at let's just go to Google News. Get rid of that. Okay, so we're basically, I just want the regular news. Okay, so the French Open's here. Now I'm looking at this page. It has a lot of ads on it. You know, it's not formatted very well to read. So with one little click, I can just click Readability, and it's going to take out all the ads, and it's going to give me text just clean like that. And to zoom in on the text and unzoom, you press the Control button, and you can scroll the mouse forward or back. That's a little tip. A lot of people don't know that. I hope you like that. Let's see what else I have here. I have one called Split Screen that I like. You can use 2 different pages. So you can see, you know, you can type text in here if you need to, or you can load another website just to see a comparison. It's pretty good if you need to do stuff with split screen. You can drag this in between. Basically, like the best way to figure it out, since it's going to vary by each person, just go through the extensions here, and you can look in the categories and see what you like: productivity, search tools, social and communication. I know there's a good Facebook one here called FB Zoom. That will allow you to zoom in on face. I don't know why I should have that installed and why it's not, but it will allow you to go over some photos on Facebook, and it will enlarge them. Okay, so I'm going to show you another one called Speed Dial. Here you go. It basically allows you to add a bunch of, when you open a new tab here, the shortcut to open a new tab is Control and T on your keyboard, if you want to know how to do that so quickly. So you can add like a bunch of start pages here. So we can put, there's a bunch that come with it like this. So if we want Facebook, you can just put Facebook. And now it has a special tab for Facebook here that will load up, and you just click it and it'll go right to Facebook. This is the default tab when you open Chrome, instead of showing you the apps and other things that you saw before. So the way to add custom images to this is to, so let's say you like TechCrunch, which I don't think was on there. So you just go to TechCrunch, Google TechCrunch logo. Just look at images here. Here we go. We got a really kind of want a square one. So we'll go with this one here, TechCrunch. So all you want to do is just come to this image and right-click and save image as. You can save that somewhere on your, I spelled tech wrong, somewhere on your computer. And then you go here, tinypic.com. That's a little picture uploading website. You can put anything on here and it will host it for you. So you just go and hit that TechCrunch file. Wherever it was saved on your computer, you can save it to your desktop to make it easier. Hit upload now. Enter the CAPTCHA here. Same, not to be. It's basically going to upload this file here for me. Give it a second. I already did it. Waiting. So now it's going to load here. Okay, so direct link. You want to take that and copy that, and then you can come in here. Now I can say TechCrunch URL, TechCrunch.com. And now the image URL is that image I got right off of here, direct thing. Hit save, and now I've got TechCrunch on here. I just click it, and it goes to TechCrunch. That's a pretty simple way. I'd go back. A couple other ones I like are LastPass. This allows you to enter your password on any website. I use a couple other ones on here. I have a lot of tabs open always, so this one shows you all your tabs. It's pretty neat. And where I got this? I got a session manager. I got my hype machine on here. A lot of people probably don't use that. You can have a notepad in here, which is pretty nice. I've used that before. It syncs across the browsers if you use more than one computer. That's pretty much it. Just go through here and look at the extensions and see, which ones you like. Productivity, and look at these. You can also Google top Chrome extensions or best Chrome extensions. And one of the things I like to do for my searches is put in the past. You could do like the past year generally, so they're fresher. So because a lot of things that nowadays are out of date range, you can add here. June 5th to, let's say, like February 1st. Okay, that'll fix it. Now I've got only the newer ones here. So you can see what these essential ones are. Whatever you want to do, it should be. You can find good stuff here. Depending. This looks like someone who's more technical.